Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you all? Hope you will be fine and enjoying good health in these days. In the previous lecture we have discussed about the comparing integers. How we will compare the integers. In this video we will learn some divisibility test. Our topic is divisibility test. What does it mean? It means without actual division, we will apply some test to know that given number is divisible by 2, 3, 6, 11, 10 or no. We will not actually divide them, we will just apply the test. Divisibility test by 2. How do we know that number is divisible by 2 or no? A number is divisible by 2 if the last digit of the dividend is even. 15 is divisible by 2 or not? How do we know? We will check the last digit, that is 5. Is 5 even number? It is not an even number. So 15 is not completely divisible by 2. Here we have the number 1876. We will not actually divide it. Just we will check the last digit. It is even. So this number 1876 is divisible by 2. If we actually divide it, we will get the answer 938. Divisibility test by 3. What are the rules to know that given number is divisible by 3 or no? A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of the digits of the dividend is divisible by 3. Let's take an example. Here we have the number 225. If we divide it with 3, it is difficult for us. We will just apply the divisibility test to know that it is divisible by 3 or no. Step 1 is add all these numbers. 2 plus 2 plus 5, we get 9. Then we will divide 9 with 3 and that is 3. We can divide 9 with 3. It means 225 is divisible by 3. If we actually divide it, we will get the answer 75. So I repeat again, we will add all these digits 2 plus 2 plus 5 and we get the answer 9. Just divide 9 with 3, we get the answer 3. So it means we can easily divide this number with 3. Divisibility test by 4. A number is divisible by 4 if the last 2 digits of the dividend are divisible by 4. Here we have the number 516. We will check the last 2 digits. 16. Is 16 divisible by 4? Yes. 4 into 4 we get 16. We can easily divide 16 with 4. It means 516 can be divided by 4. If we divide 516 with 4, we get the answer 129. Divisibility test by 5. It's very easy. A number is divisible by 5 if the last digit of the dividend is either 0 or 5. We will check just last digit. Is it 0 or 5? If it is 0 or 5, it is divisible by 5. If it has other numbers other than 0 and 5, it means it is not divisible by 5. Here we have the number 365. As 5 is the last digit, it means we can easily divide it with 5. If we actually divided 365 with 5, we get the answer 73. Here we have the number 210. The last digit is 0. It's very easy for us to know that this number is divisible by 5. So, last digit is 0 means 210 can be divisible by 5. If we actually divide it, we get the answer 42. Divisibility test by 6. Here we have some rules. A number is divisible by 6 if the dividend is divisible by 2 and 3. We will apply the divisibility test by 2 and 3 on that number. If the number satisfied these two tests, it means the number is divisible by 6. Here we have the number 342. First of all, we will apply divisibility test by 2. The last digit is even. 342 can be divided by 2. We get the answer 171. Now we will apply divisibility test by 3 on this number 342. The first step is add all these numbers. 3 plus 4 plus 2, we get 9. Now we will divide 9 with 3. We get 3. 3 into 3 we have 9. It means this number can be divided by 3. If we actually divide it, we get the answer 114. It means 342 is divisible by 3. It is also divisible by 2. It satisfies the condition. It means 342 can be divided by 6. If we divide 342 with 6, we get the answer 57. Divisibility test by 8. A number is divisible by 8 if the last 3 digits of the dividend are divisible by 8 or the number is divisible by 2 and 4. Here we have the number 1256. Without actual division, we will know that this number can be divided by 8 or no. The rule was divide last 3 digits with 8. Last 3 digits are 256. If we divide 256 with 8, we get 32. It means 1256 can be divided by 8. And we will get the answer 157. Divisibility test by 10. The rules are: a number is divisible by 10 if the last digit is a 0. It's very easy. If the last digit is 0, it means the number can be divided by 10. Otherwise, the number will not be divisible by 10. Here we have the number 220. The last digit is 0. It means we can divide this number with 10. We will get the answer 22. Now the last one is divisibility test by 11. Its rules are: the number is divisible by 11 if the difference of the sum of digits in even places and odd places of the dividend is either 0 or is divisible by 11. We will find the sum of digits in even places and sum of digits in odd places and we will subtract them. Let's take an example. The number we have 3267. If we see the numbers that are placed in odd places, 3 and 6, we will find their sum. If we add 3 plus 6, we get 9. Now we will sum the numbers that are placed in even places. They are 2 and 7. If we add them, we get 9. 2 plus 7 makes 9. Now the third step is sum of the digits in odd places is 9 and sum of the digits in even places is 9. We will subtract both of them. If we subtract 9 from 9, we get 0. It means the number can be divided by 11. In this video, we have discussed divisibility test. In the next video, we will learn addition and subtraction. Take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.